Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve one of the past paper question from proofs. So this question is proof by contradiction, and let's read the question. We have a and b such that a squared plus b squared is exactly divisible by 4. Proof by contradiction that a and b cannot be both odd. Okay, let's remember how we use the contradiction, proof by contradiction. So we are going to look at the last sentence. A and B cannot be both odd. Okay, I'm going to assume that A and B are both odd. Okay, so and then try to prove by contradiction using something to contradict. Okay, so if A and B are both odd, then I can define A as 2m plus 1 or 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. So I'm going to pick 2m plus 1 for A, and for B I will say 2n plus 1. M and n are both element of integer, positive integer. So what is my expression? It's say a squared plus b squared. So then a squared will be 2m plus 1 square plus 2n plus 1 square, and then I will expand this part. 2m squared will be 4m squared. 2 times 2m times 1 will be 4m plus 1 square, which is 1. Here I'll do the same thing. 2n squared will be 4n squared. 2 times 2n times 1 will be 4n, and 1 square is just 1. So, and then I'm going to simplify this whole expression. So let's just add the 4's. So 4m squared plus 4n squared plus 4m from plus 4n. And I have plus 1 here and plus 1 here. So when we add them up, we get 2. So as the question is asking me to show that this is exactly divisible by 4, I'm going to move 4 outside of the bracket. Actually, the whole purpose here is to factorize this part. So then that will be 4, will move out. So m squared plus n squared plus m plus n plus, this is the one, the left, which has left. Okay, so plus 2. Now as you see, this whole expression here is actually divisible by 4 because we have the coefficient of 4. Okay, so this is always divisible by 4. Or if we have, let's say, 8, this is also going to be divisible by 4. The multiple of 4, if you have seen multiple of 4 as a coefficient of this expression, then this is always divisible by 4. But plus 2, which will make it a problem, plus 2 is not divisible by 4, right? So as a conclusion, we just say a squared plus b squared is not divisible by 4. Why? Because of these two. Okay, to change everything. So it's a contradiction. So a and b cannot be both odd. Okay.